Hello, and welcome to this overview of engineering buildings. It's been a little over 3 months since the launch of Engineering Buildings, our quarterly online publication here in Australia and New Zealand. The feedback we have received since going live with the first issue has been phenomenal. We really do appreciate your opinion and encourage you to please get in touch. Let us know what interests you and why not get involved in submitting an article. We are continuing to develop and harness the ever-advancing social media platforms of communications to ensure the Australia and New Zealand region is adapting to reflect you, our members' needs. So, here's a quick snapshot of the articles contained within this bumper issue. First off, we feature a double-page spread celebrating the accomplishments of Stephen Gilchrist, one of the founding members of the CIBSE ANZ region, over 30 years ago. Earlier this month, Steve was inducted into the Air Conditioning, Refrigeration and Building Services, aka ARBS, Hall of Fame. What a great achievement for such a committed and genuine fellow. Please do read and be inspired by Steve's commitment towards the industry. Amy McIntyre, the Communications Advisor at STEM Professionals in Schools and the CSIRO Education and Outreach, provides a fascinating insight into the programme, which partners engineers with primary and high school teachers around Australia. I especially love the line in this article, "Give a little and change a lot." This really does resonate with me, and hopefully it inspires you to get involved after reading this article. In stark contrast to the previous one, still focusing on children, we now delve into the harsh reality of modern-day slavery, which has never really ended in some countries. In this hard-hitting article, you'll find we can all make a change towards the global supply chain and rethinking purchasing power to combat modern-day slavery. In his regular feature, Giles, from our regional sponsor Constructive, provides sound advice on planning your career with some helpful tips and hints to assist you reach your goals. Moving on, Paul Jackson takes a walk down memory lane where he reflects on the leaps and bounds in the role of the independent commissioning agent 10 years on and the need for change to progress and improve upon the process. Inspired by a recent seminar he attended on artificial intelligence, Craig Underwood provides a peek into building services of the future and where he sees technology will take us all. In the first article of our healthcare feature, Dave Dixon takes a closer look into the potential risk factors and how to minimize the risk of Legionella and other waterborne diseases. In this thought-provoking article, Ben Cook asks the question, are we getting it right when it comes to the mechanical design of isolation suites? He discusses how to reduce the risk of cross-contamination associated with both airborne and physical contact routes. In Sarah Bailey's article on air quality, she investigates how hospitals can prevent and minimize infection control through the spread of air handling systems. Staying alive is key, and in this hydraulic article, Jonathan Mustel takes us through the process involved with designing central sterile services departments and the potential pitfalls involved. Still on our healthcare feature, SimSteel focuses on lighting within hospitals and where the welfare of occupants and visitors, which is, in turn, predicted on upholding, constantly questioning and setting benchmarks of design against the ever-changing and social backgrounds. In this article from the leaders in STEAM, Spidak Sarko, it explores the standards that deal with steam quality and purify for sterilization and how to ensure the steam system is able to deliver what exactly is required for compliance with the standards. The godfather of neighbours, Dr. Paul Bannister himself, who is a big supporter of CIBSE, describes in his article the new neighbours ratings tools for energy and water for apartment buildings. This new tool rates how the building actually performs as opposed to the design intent itself. In our final article, Heath Turnbull takes us to Christchurch with a fascinating case study utilising geothermal conditions to provide a centralised district energy scheme. Heath describes how this district energy scheme provides a cost-effective solution that is efficient and cost-effective energy source, effectively replacing traditional distributed building services systems. So that's it. That's a quick snapshot. We hope you've enjoyed this quick overview. If you've got any feedback or want to get involved, please drop me a line at pangus@cibse.org.au, or why not visit www.cibse.org.au, where contact details are located on the landing page itself. A big thank you to all the contributors on this issue and our publisher, Adborn, who do a wonderful job. Thanks for listening, and look out for more announcements in the future.